There are several yoga asanas, or poses, that can help to reduce belly fat and tone the abdominal muscles. Here are a few that you might find helpful. Boat pose, Navasana. This pose strengthens the core, including the abdominal muscles, and can help to tone the belly. Plank pose, Phalakasana. This pose also works the core and can help to tone the belly, as well as the arms and shoulders. Side plank pose, Vasisthasana. This pose targets the abdominal muscles and also works the arms, shoulders, and legs. Chair pose, Utkatasana. This pose strengthens the core and can help to tone the belly. Cobra Pose, Bhujangasana. This pose works the abdominal muscles and can help to tone the belly. Bow pose, Dhanurasana. This pose can help to tone the belly and also works the back and legs. It is worth noting that doing yoga alone is not a magic solution for belly fat loss. Regular yoga practice can help to strengthen and tone your abdominal muscles, which can improve your overall fitness and well-being. But for burning belly fat, you also need to focus on cardiovascular exercises, calorie restriction, and maintaining a healthy diet. It's also important to check with your doctor before starting a new exercise regimen, especially if you have any health concerns. It's also important to understand that while yoga can help in toning your muscles and give better flexibility, building a healthy diet and having enough physical activity that elevates your heart rate and build cardiovascular endurance are key aspects in burning belly fat and seeing changes in shape of your body.